Well, 4 Congress-ruled states have now said there is vaccine crunch and expressed doubts about whether they are going to be in a position to launch the phase 3 of the inoculation drive to cover those above the age of 18 years of age from the 1st of May. These concerns over vaccinations were raised in a meeting of health ministers of Congress-ruled states, Punjab, Rajasthan and Chhattisgarh, and also ally-ruled Jharkhand. Punjab government has said they have only 4 lakh vaccines left. Chhattisgarh claims the situation there is even more dire. The Rajasthan government has said that serum officials have told them that their consignment is going to be only reaching by the 15th of May, almost 2 weeks after the universal vaccination drive begins.
वैक्सीनेशन जो हमारे पास आज तक सिर्फ 34 लाख हमारे को डोजेज मिली हैं, जिसे 30 लाख को हम यूटिलाइज कर चुके हैं और सिर्फ 4 लाख हमारी डोजेज हमारे पास बैलेंस है। ये आज का दिन हमारा निकलेगा और पर डे 1,90,000 लाख लगा रहे हैं कि हमारे पास ज्यादा सप्लाई नहीं।
राजस्थान में 2 करोड़ 9 लाख है। इन सारे लोगों को अगर 7 लाख डोज पर डे हम दें तब भी 1.5-2 महीना लग जाएगा इस कैटेगरी के लोगों को वैक्सीनेट करने में। सवाल ये कि हमारे पास वैक्सीन खत्म हो गई, फिर हमने भारत सरकार को कहा 1 लाख वैक्सीन बच गई, फिर उन्होंने 10 लाख भेजी, फिर 4 लाख भेजी। इस ढंग से आज हमारे पास जो स्टेट में अलग अलग जिला चिकित्सालय है वहाँ करीब 7 लाख वैक्सीन है और हमारे जो कैपिटल में स्टोरेज का सेंटर है वहाँ 1 लाख वैक्सीन है। टोटल 8 लाख वैक्सीन है।
18 से 45 साल की आयु वर्ग की जो हमारी आबादी 35 से 40% की अगर हम मानते हैं, उनके लिए आधी कैपेसिटी यानी केवल 3.5 करोड़ वैक्सीन उपलब्ध कराए जाएंगे। और देखिए स्थिति क्या बन रही है। मैंने सुना कि असम ने अपनी तरफ से ऑर्डर प्लेस किया वैक्सीन का, तो उनको कहा गया है कि 1 महीने बाद मिलेगा। तो ये व्यवस्था केंद्र सरकार ने बना रखी है। न केवल असंतुलित और अस्वीकार्य रेट बनाए हैं, सप्लाई नहीं है और अगर ऑर्डर देने के लिए कहा जा रहा है तो फैक्ट्रियों के पास सामान नहीं है पूरा करने के लिए।
Well, as India gears up to vaccinate those above the age of 18 from the 1st of May onwards, most states have now announced free vaccine jabs for people. Haryana, Telangana and the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir are among the latest states to have announced free inoculation for people above the age of 18. In Haryana, vaccines is going to be given free of cost in government facilities, but private facilities will charge for it. The Telangana government said it's going to administer vaccines free of cost to the entire population in the state, irrespective of their age. Telangana Chief Minister said that free vaccination drive would cost the state 25,000 crores. Earlier, Bihar, Jharkhand, Madhya Pradesh and Andhra Pradesh also announced free vaccination for all above the age of 18 years. Well, days before India launches the vaccine drive for citizens above the age of 18, the prices of jabs are finally out. Bharat Biotech has announced prices of Covaxin, the nation's indigenous vaccine, is going to be sold at 1,200 rupees per dose. While state hospitals will sell Covaxin at 600 rupees per dose, Serum Institute of India and Oxford Zeneca's candidate Covishield is going to be sold at 600 rupees per dose in private hospitals, while state hospitals will be selling this jab at 400 rupees a dose. Bharat Biotech claims their vaccine candidate is expensive than its competitor because of its low process heats. The institution further says the development, manufacturing and clinical trials were incurred by the firm itself as far as the expenses are concerned. On the 1st of May, India is going to open the vaccination drive for all above the age of 18.
Two major steps what the government of India has taken is to give the approval to Sputnik V production in India. It has been tested in India by Dr. Reddy's laboratory and it is likely to come very soon, maybe to a couple of months it should be there in the market. Secondly, about the Covaxin production also, Government of India has given the permission to Haffkine Institute to produce more number and Bharat Biotech has been given support to produce more numbers of vaccines so that in the coming days the whole of the Indian population can be vaccinated.
Most of the vaccination centers in Mumbai are out of stock. BMC claims not enough stocks have been provided. Out of 73 vaccination centres, only 37 are functional today with limited stocks. Senior citizens are suffering the most. No walk-in vaccination is happening as only those who have been registered within the CoWIN app will be given the vaccination. Most of senior citizens had to take the second dose. Senior citizens claim they are suffering in the situation. Officials should have informed them earlier is what they say. Arguments also broke out with cops and officials at the BKC vaccination centre, the biggest in Mumbai.
Due to non-availability of vaccines, today BKC vaccination centre will be closed till vaccines are available. All the citizens are hereby requested to wait for the information from Municipal Corporation and Government of India for further. We regret for the inconvenience due to non-availability of vaccines.
My brother has come all the way from Mulund. He said, Sundar, here it is available. You can definitely take the second dose. But unfortunately, today I have come. It is saying no vaccine. Vaccines are out of stock at BKC.
वैक्सीन मिलता नहीं है. कल भी हम लोग आके चले गए शाम में और आज भी आए. आज भी सुबह ये लोग बोल रहे हैं कि वैक्सीन बिल्कुल नहीं है करके. और प्राइवेट में दुनिया भर का वैक्सीन दिया हुआ है. तो दे आर टेलिंग टू गो टू द प्राइवेट हॉस्पिटल एंड टेक द वैक्सीन. फ्रॉम वेयर विल ब्रिंग द मनी? पैसा कहाँ से लेके आएगा? 1200 रुपया हम लोग. पैसा होना चाहिए ना.
At a time when cases of coronavirus is at peak in our nation, at a different side in Mumbai, vaccines are not available. Here we are right now present at BKC COVID Centers vaccination center, and this is one of the largest vaccination centers of Mumbai. But here in the boards you can clearly see vaccine is out of stock. There are now very senior citizens who have come over here for vaccinations, but they are very angry that now vaccines are not available. Many of them now, BMC officials are clearly letting us that most of the vaccination centers in Mumbai today are shut down due to unavailability of vaccine. The BMC is claiming that they have not received their stocks of vaccine from the center, but whatever may be the reason, the people of Mumbai are very angry as vaccines are not available for them. With camera person Samir Shanbag, this is Saurabh Akhtania in Mumbai for India Today.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.